Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how to connect if the Bluetooth earbuds are not pairing. Means previously these buds got paired to this Moto mobile. See here, and these are the buds of Realme Buds Wireless 3 Neo. Previously these were connected. They both were connected, but now suddenly I don't know what happened. If I turn on the Bluetooth and I set these buds in the pairing mode, see here, as soon as I separate the earphones, a blue light has just blink here, and if I click on pair new device, it is not recognizing the name. In this tutorial I'll tell you what you can do in order to make these wireless earbuds or the neckband to connect to this mobile phone, any mobile phone. That this is the motto here right now. If you have any Android mobile, what is the thing you can do in order to make this mobile recognize this is not an error or an issue. Okay, as I said, this is not an error or issue. One thing you to do is you need to make these earbuds, wireless earbuds, to be in pairing mode. To do that, see here, this is the volume increase and this is the volume decrease, and this is the pause or the call answer button, and you need to just give a long press on this button, this middle one. Okay, you just need to give a long press on this so that until it blinks you need to press and hold this. See, now the blinking has started, right? As soon as the blinking is started, if you can see here, you can find this Realme Buds Wireless 3 or a pop-up here. You will see a pop-up here. Do you want to connect this with the Realme Buds? So the name has been here because this phone previously already got connected to this, and it is saying Realme pair with Realme Buds Wireless 3 Neo, also access call history and pair. Okay, I need to click on the pair so that it gets paired. Let us check here. See here, Realme Buds connected. Realme Buds connected. Now it has been connected. The buds here. Yeah, connecting, automatic connecting. So as soon as I keep this now in the pairing mode, it gets connected. If I close this, it gets disconnected and it is getting like saved. So if I keep like this, automatically gets connected. So what if you have TWS, true wireless earbuds, means with the case, right? A small case and the wireless earbuds, only the buds will be there. In that case, what you can do is find any physical button on the TWS buds case. If there is a physical button like this, just continuously press and hold so that it gets into the pairing mode, the buds gets into the pairing mode. So what if you don't have any physical button on the case? Just on the earbuds you will have this call answering sensor, right? You will double tap usually to answer the call. Just press and hold on that area, the sensor area, for few seconds, so that immediately you will see here a pop-up like this: Realme Buds 3 Neo, save the device. And see here, what is this? Save. Click on the save. It will be something like pair. For you it will be something like pair, so you can just click on the pair. In this way you can connect the wireless earbuds. If you are facing like the device name or the buds name is not showing up, even though if you turn on the Bluetooth and want to pair the new device, it is not showing, then you can do a simple step to make your buds in the pairing mode. Long press here on the button or just long press here on the sensor. You will get to see the buds name here on the phone or laptop, whichever device you want to connect. And these are the earbuds. If you want a review of this earbuds, Realme Buds Wireless 3 Neo, you can just ask in the comments so that I'll let you know or make a review video on this. And thanks for watching. Have a nice